best of luck. Happy hunting.
Have a great week, everyone. Thank you very much. Take care.
Yeah.
Feel like we need like a 15-minute break after Coach Duncan comes on.
Yeah,
Like,
right.
so much of the process. I mean, one of the best kind of like take a an hour-long lecture and distill it down to like 5 minutes and not lose anything. I like very few people in my life I've met like that, but I both get smarter and feel dumber every time that we talk to him. So yeah.
Man, facts. No, I appreciate all the things that he covered. Not just the data, obviously with the earnings. He talked about the forward guidance and how that's important. That's something that a lot of people don't really look at, right? I mean, man, please, by the way, guys, please, if you're options traders or swing traders, don't pull for earnings. Don't do it. Just don't do it, okay? Even if, and it can go to show, even if like, you know, a company beats everywhere across the board, if their forward guidance is not in line, then they're, you know, they're gonna do what Intel did, right? Look at Intel, right? It was not a good look for Intel. So it's just, you know, you want to be careful on weeks like this. But we'll see. I mean, that's kind of why I was curious. Like, does Coach think we're gonna get kind of some sideways action come in before, you know, more of the data comes out, more of the earning comes out later on this week? And to his point, you know, I think Wednesday is going to be really what the market anticipates and looks for. I mean, we have other geopolitical news kind of hanging above us, but yeah, I mean, if you really look at the 4-hour on futures, like look at the 4-hour on the NASDAQ ever since Wednesday of last week. Like, look at this chart. We've literally just been range bound for about 200 points in the NASDAQ before we had this drop in the overnight session. So it's, you know, am I anticipating a massive move today before the statement? Not really. But yeah, we've seen the market time and time again prove us wrong. So just things to kind of consider when you're looking at trades, right? So
also, when we look at NASDAQ right now, just realized something. NASDAQ on the 1 hour is in this weird, like 200, yeah, pretty much 200 point range since last Wednesday. Tried to break out to the top on Friday, tried to break out to the bottom on obviously today's market open at 6 p.m. Eastern time, right? Or yesterday, 6 p.m. Eastern time. But we're still in this range right now at the very top of that range. So I wonder if we're gonna break it today, and if so, in which direction? The last five hourly candles are all green, pretty much clean recovery to that upside of the range. And now, look, I'll make this a bit larger for you guys to see. Here we go. This is what I'm looking at. This right here, right at the top right now. And the question is, are we gonna break out? And if so, in which direction? I guess we'll know more once New York actually opens.
Yeah, this is the range that I was looking at too. Like, we're just chilling in this area. ES is right at the trend line, the top trend line that I have on the 1 hour right now.
What's
so
going on, folks?
definitely needs to
What's
avoid this
happening?
area, but like I said, for
We're
ES,
back.
I want to
Sorry, we slept in the last few days.
like 960s. I would really like a retest though. I really would like a retest of the 930.
We were
I
tired.
think if you lose the 20,
We were
on
so
ES,
tired.
it's gonna get.
We had
really
to sleep.
interesting.
We had to go
So,
memes.
I don't see, like I said, I don't see that happening, especially like we're 3 minutes from the open. So, but I don't know, man. It might be a battle at the open. What do you think, Matt?
I think it will definitely be a battle. And speaking of battles, it's time for the opening bell battle.
Wait. Was that a bass drum?
Oh, God, don't start that shit with me. It's Monday. I still don't know what the fuck that's doing in that montage, but whatever.
Watch them like it just gets edited and we just add more and more bass drums to where
It's going to be all bass drums in 6 months. And then just my head screaming at the end like, ah. All right, guys.
Willick has an important question really quick before you dive in. He's asking, I wonder if you guys talk shit fast during these intros. Absolutely.
Yeah, we did. Get it out quick. Nick definitely redeems it many times.
He redeems himself during those.
I'll just leave.
All right, guys. Check your orders. Get ready to go. We're about a minute away here.
Okay, no, wait, I'll come back. Oh, NQ just took out Asia High as well.
Yeah, ES is breaking out of this trend line as well. So let's see. Oops. All right. It's gonna be an interesting day. I feel it.
I think it's gonna be
All right, guys.
for a lot of reasons that Coach Duncan just outlined for us.
Yeah.
Will we be traveling up or down?
All right, 35 seconds.
We don't know.
Let's get ready.
Don't know.
What sucks?
Sometimes I'll put my headphones in, but this time I decided not to.
But we're about to take off.
All right, guys. Nasdaq breaking to new recent highs here, sweeping above Asia and London high as we get ready for the open, guys. It is Monday. Let's not full port right at the beginning of the day and blow any evals. Ding ding, motherfuckers. Let's get to work.
Let's go.
NASDAQ breaking out of this pre-market high area.
Let's see where it takes us. Also, gold interesting right now, holding VWAP. VWAP.
5-minute ATR on the NQ is about 17. That's about normal going into the open. So we'll watch that expand.
ES trying to reject this trend line so far, this 960 area. So let's see. Would need to hold 949 on ES.
Order filled.
We have some buyers sitting at 25,700, 25,680 on NASDAQ. To the upside, we have sellers at 780 and 800. ES has sellers sitting at that 960 area, 964, 966,
Nice ES push.
970.
Very nice push there. Almost that previous day high on ES. 64 is previous day high.
We've been seeing this a lot with ES. Definitely the stronger one.
But now getting into all these wicks here, right? We have Friday's Asia high. We have then obviously the previous day high, Friday's high. And then right above that we have previous week's high. 6969. ES still, remember guys, ES still hasn't filled the gap. Like last week's new week opening gap. The closure of that gap is going to be, or the fill of that gap is going to be 6977. So it still has 13 points to the upside. Still an interesting level to me.
Come on, let's break more. More up.
How much do you guys care?
More up.
Merrim or Matt?
Let's go.
Gaps that are unfilled on only one instrument. If it filled on NQ but not on ES, for example, like this one.
It depends for me. Like how much of the gap was filled, right? In comparison to the other. Like when you're looking at ES, what is that? How many points is that needs to be filled?
Not much, like 4.
And NASDAQ filled theirs. So it's like for me, I don't really care about stuff like that. But like if I see, ES has, which I don't really
Probably
know
should have
a lot
held that
about
in.
this, but if there's like a significant difference between the two, then that is something that I look at.
Yeah,
SPX
it's not.
is-
It's not a big thing for me either on those. I'm just looking for larger gaps and ones that could be filled quickly.
Ooh, maybe not.
Fair enough.
All right, if that was the place I would have put stop loss, let's find out.
We're in
Yep, it would hit. Bam. Then sweet. Was good.
Like I said,
It was
I
good.
don't
It's
like
good.
this range that we're just sitting here. Especially on SPX, like we have a little bit of a gap to fill to the upside, a bigger gap to fill to the downside. But right now we're just stuck in a range. So I'm not like particularly excited to take anything given the range that we're sitting in. ES is
But
strong
ES,
right now.
I was just about to say, ES just tapped into previous day high. Now we're gonna observe if it's gonna sweep or not.
Yeah.
It's just gonna push higher. I mean, next really significant level on ES is obviously previous week high at 6969, and then after like previous month high at 994, but that would still be a very long.
All right,
way.
it's breaking.
Yeah, like I said, like ES and Nasdaq are not in sync right now in terms of like the levels. Like Nasdaq has not even hit.
All right.
its previous. It's not even
I'm
close to
suspecting
its
either
still,
here to 82
I want to
or
say
up into the
about 80 points away
8,
from
12 to
previous high.
8,
We have a supply zone
18.
right above it. ES close to filling that gap at 975.
Let's hope.
And then after that, like 990 would be the next target, and 7,000 on ES.
7,000 incoming. But as said, I do expect more of an inside day or like a range bound day actually.
Yeah.
Could be wrong though. Let's find out. By the way, chat, 301 likes is still what we need for the first giveaway. We're at 241.
All right. Guess I should have stayed in for the full amount. Left my stop loss where it was.
Back a little bit into this week, especially if we start getting some good earnings and goes and retest that 5,000 level. Because again, we did pretty much gap above that, and we never actually traded at exactly 5,000. So it's such a key level. If there's a little downward momentum, especially if we break through 5,050, I would expect a test of that level. But again, gold. I mean, gold has not really. I guess back on. Last week on Wednesday, we had, let's see, what's that, 49? Yeah, we had about a 100-point pullback on the 4-hour chart. So that would be an area to watch. If the indexes start to rally and gold starts to get a little weak, maybe a smaller position playing for a little bigger move might be a nice play there.
Yes, just tapped into previous week high. Strong. Yes, very strong. Right now. Quick 20 points from the low of the session to the high.
No, this is actually so annoying. Like I'm not a fan of anything over here, but at the same time, I'm like watching this move. I'm like, why? I will be watching Nasdaq though to see if we can clear this 813, 812 area. Like I said, their supply sitting at 850. Let's see 800 as well. There's a lot of sellers sitting at like 798. Lots of stack liquidity. I don't know if you see that, Matt, but 798, 805, 815, 817, 825, 847. Like it's I'm hesitant like getting in a long. I need a pullback at this point, or at least establish the 15-minute open range.
Loco in the chat still trying to convince Romina, or actually helping her to convince me that I take her last name.
I don't know. Nikki Wiki would be an epic name in this business. It really would be.
It would be funny. I agree.
Oh, that's great.
Or it could be Nicholas Wickolas.
I would actually prefer that. That would be sick.
Nicholas Wickolas.
Nicholas Wickolas. That should be my username actually. Everywhere.
Can you change your middle name to Tick?
I could just change my first name to Tick and just call me Tickwick.
All right, folks.
Oh man.
What are we doing right here.
Nicholas
Yeah.
Wickless actually sounds kind of like a Dr. Seuss character.
Yeah, for sure.
Like one of those background guys in Green Eggs and Ham.
I would love to.
Do we go up to the next spot? Do we come down?
Dr. Seuss for the
What's it gonna do?
Or just like the markets in general.
We're gonna run a retest to
I think that'd be fun.
either
It would be fun, like,
45 or 40 or 33.
I'll come up with something. So what on Amazon? Shoot, I'd read that. It'd be like a little bathroom book.
Bathroom book.
Nicholas Wickless. You're gonna be the main character.
Oh man.
Oh my god. Okay, now I just have this idea.
Oh, I'm so tired.
He's making an AI book right now.
I'm typing it into ChatGPT right now.
Is he gonna finish pushing up? What do we know? What do we think? What do we think is gonna happen right now?
I'll have you start here. Well, chat, we're close to a giveaway. We need 14 more likes. 14 more. Over 540 people watching, so easy task. Now everybody chiming in the chat.
Oh, here it comes.
Book better be good.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, sorry, Willie. I'm gonna rig it for you. Like. All right, we hit the like goal, chat. Let's go. Gonna do our first giveaway of the day for a 50k growth account. All you're gonna do for this giveaway is you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I give you guys a keyword, type that keyword in the chat. But if you want to do it more than once,
Oh, there it goes.
you still need to wait for Drew to confirm that keyword. But once it's confirmed, I'll give it to you. And while
So it did break through
jumping like crazy, 50 points
Oh, that
to
is
the target. You should have held up.
as well.
I'm over
Wait.
here creating a code as
Wait,
normal.
is this gonna be ridiculous, Nicholas Wickless?
Yeah.
All right, chat. The keyword is Nicholas Wickless. Good luck, everybody.
Dude, come on. What is going on, dude?
You're gonna make sure you type it right though.
Freaking A.
Put a copy paste.
Yeah.
Damn. Yes.
Oh, huh.
Thank you. About to tap into previous week high as well now.
NASDAQ right at this trend line here. Next level up is going to be 847. Right where that previous day high is, Friday's high.
Ooh. Ooh, what's going on? What's happening?
Ooh. Little play bomber there. 30 points.
So,
Is there any news? Like what?
Came out of nowhere.
Yep.
right at the top of this trend line, literally rejecting here. It's 812, making a lower high. If we start pulling back from here, ooh,
Yikes.
I'm almost like, damn, should I take this short right now? I don't like initiating shorts when we get such strong pushes, but this would be a shortable area. Just, I don't like where ES is either.
I would love
But
to
yes.
see NQ sweep previous week high first, actually. Would be nicer.
At 845 level?
Yep.
I wouldn't mind that either, actually. But if we start rejecting here and we don't get a move back up, this is going to be a really nice. I could see this coming down towards like 728.
That could be.
ES did finish filling the rest of that gap too.
True.
Lansing.
True. True. All right, Drew. Let's pick a winner here. Let's see who Nicholas is with 50K growth account. It is Pino XTX. Pino XTX. Congrats! You just won a 50K growth account. The question, Pino, is: do you want to play a game called Double or Nothing? Get a chance to win 2 accounts, or if you lose, it's nothing. Let me know. Chances are 50-50. Alright, he typed, says, oh, nice, thanks. Now the question is, if you're gonna play double or nothing? Yes, double it. Nice. He says yes. Let's go. Alright. Little game of double or nothing.
Wait, how does this work?
How does it work? I'll show you. Pino, you get to decide how many fields do you want? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10? How many do you want? Has to be an even number, obviously. On the wheel.
$15 seconds. 11 seconds.
You have to decide.
All right, so when we have a dull moment, I've corrected a few things and added a rhyme or two, but we have the story of Nicholas Wickles.
Yes.
We'll do it.
Oh my god,
after.
I already put mine in too. I want to hear yours.
Well, it's about
Okay,
90% Chat GPT, but it's pretty good.
All right, let's spin the wheel here.
7,
for
6,
Pino, and
6.
after, we'll do that. All right, let's go to my screen here really quick, Drew, and see if Pino wins 2 accounts or
Dang.
nothing. Let's spin it.
Oh
Pino
my
gets.
gosh, so nerve-wracking.
He gets
There we
2
go.
accounts. Well done.
Wait, this is
well
fun.
done.
I would totally do this all the time.
Yeah, because you're a DJ. Congrats, Pino. Congrats. You just won 2 50K growth accounts.
Nice.
Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description, and we will send you your free accounts within the next 7 days. Congrats.
That's so fun.
Oh, I just found out his name is Giuseppe. Giuseppe, you got the 2 accounts.
Isn't it Giuseppe?
No, it's Giuseppe. It's an Italian name.
I thought it was always a word.
All right.
Giuseppe.
We've got our 15-minute opening
Giuseppe.
range. Let's actually take a look at profiles now. Volume profiles.
Fun time. I've never experienced that, so thank you for showing me.
Some people take gambling, and then they win big.
Dude, I would take that every time.
Of course you would.
Screw 1 account. I want 2.
We gotta let
some
him,
people
let
have-
him double it again.
We did quadruple
Oh, I would
before.
do that for sure. If that was my option, I'd keep doubling it. No, and then at some point, obviously, the max is 5, so, gets a little awkward with numbers.
No, I usually, yes, when I'm quiet and zoned in, I am in a trade. I'm not in a trade right now. I'm working on the Nicholas Wickles story because this is where my mind goes. We'll
I'm
do
not
that.
even
You know what? We're
kidding
gonna
you,
tease
I'm
that.
not
We're gonna do that at the top of the hour.
Can't wait.
And I guess we should have stayed in. That would have been a great move. It's okay.
Her to do the artwork. She's an artist. So.
It is what it is. It does happen.
And I gotta scroll way up. Who was it that originally put the Nikki Wiki thing in there? Because I want to make sure to give them credit
Yes.
for inspiring this.
There were a couple, I think. Very Loco was certainly one of them. Ozempic as well, I think. Stephanie's asking, is this workplace bullying? Yeah, I'm gonna call HR right now. can't see any entries right now.
I know.
Nor yes, this is. Give me something. Give
Still
me
rejecting
something.
this area here on NASDAQ.
All
I
right.
just don't
The
know if
question
ES can
is,
withdraw.
are we gonna pull out of this range,
But if ES can't get back into like 980,
or are we gonna drop
there's
down?
actually some significant sellers sitting there. 980, and then NASDAQ continues to reject basically where it's at right now, up through 845. I'll consider a short.
Are we gonna break down and test?
Lulu's saying calling HR, but
48.
HR getting bullied too. Oh, King G Real, new like goal, 555. 555. Aaron says, just give up, Nick. If HR says, how can we help you, Mr. Wickless?
I really want to short this. Like a stop above the highs, but I also kind of want to see it take out that 40 level.
Find out. Come on.
Just chopping right now. Very
Pharaoh.
indecisive.
Pharaoh, how would you even know? It's your first time here. I do not like this. Funny. On my trading view right now, look at this candle. Yeah. Price is above opening price and it shows a red candle. That didn't make any sense. It was a
Come on. Break down.
Thank you, one step previous week high. I can't frame a short, but I also can't frame a long right now.
Oh, fuck no, I'm not initiating a long here. I want like a much deeper pullback for a long. I'm more interested in a short here, but it's also hard to, frame that as well.
Chat, what are we thinking? Are you guys in trades?
Somebody saying language. First stream?
Yeah. Welcome.
Too much liquidity here at the top, I think.
Just in case the ding ding motherfucker didn't get you. That's
Come on, let's go downwards.
Kids are watching. Oh.
I think it found support.
Well,
kids should be in school right now.
kids should not be watching a trading stream. Julianne already made $1,400 this morning in 2 accounts, just waiting now. Hey, good work.
Nice.
Good work. Gold really held that view up level.
40?
Let's see if you can keep pushing.
That we're supposed to have it.
Back to the 5,100 level.
Oh, wow. Still interested. I'm just watching.
would need to see a decent pullback on NQ.
Took me. It took me.
For longs, but previous week high sweep and then shorts looks interesting as well. Not gonna lie.
It's building
That
up.
long sweep, that would be nice.
I would like that as well.
I was silver just hit new all-time high. Let's see. Silver. Oh yeah, it did. 110, 111 actually, new all-time high. Damn. We just spoke about the silver hitting 100. What's going on?
I know,
What's
it's
going
crazy.
on?
Ozampic, I'd marry the GC if I could. Are we all invited?
We wait and we wait and we wait.
Rats.
Change your religion, Matt. You know, the way gold's moving, I'm surprised there hasn't been a religion founded on it by now.
Well, there sure is one. Let's go find it.
If we start a church of gold, does that mean all of our profits are untaxed?
Hey, that's a good question.
What was it a few years ago? John Oliver, who does that Sunday night show on HBO, put together an actual legal church just to illustrate the examples of tax exemptions and all that. And I mean, this was a legal thing he had a lawyer do, and he called it Our Lady of Perpetual Exemption.
Oh gosh, seriously?
It's on. I think it's on YouTube. If you look for that, it's really interesting. I mean, it's using humor to like illustrate how churches that are. And I'm not saying good, bad, indifferent. That's not what it's about, but just illustrating that point. So yeah, we could probably figure that out.
That's awesome. I'm not even kidding when I said I had an entry sitting at 839. 839, I was gonna short, and I would have already been out. But this was like, if
What?
it starts dropping, I'm gonna be pissed.
Wait, you had an order there?
I had an order sitting there. It didn't kill me.
Even though it went to 840?
I did it after.
Oh.
So on the next candle open, I had the order sitting there. I removed it. At this point, I wanted to drop, but I would have wanted it to drop.
Let's get that sweep of the previous week high first.
No,
and then
come on.
talk about shorts.
Otherwise, I'll be waiting for this. I want to see if 800 will break to the downside. That'll kind of confirm this.
Ooh, there it is. 1 point away, half a point away. Give us that previous week high sweep. Nasdaq.
Do it.
Okay,
Do
there.
it.
There it is. Now watch it pump for another 200 points.
Crap.
Crap.
Supply zone right above it.
This could be the point of reversal.
I would have liked to see more of a sweep there.
Yeah. No real reaction to it. Like, yeah, I'm here now, bitches. What now?
Stay right now. Let's see.
So Live is in the chat says gold to 5,300. You know, usually I would say don't be ridiculous, but I mean, why not?
Yeah, why not at this point?
Why the hell not?
I want to short, but then I feel like I'm in the way of a freight train right now.
Nobody in a trade after 28 minutes?
I know. It's like,
It's crazy.
it is actually kind of crazy.
Well, how are we gonna get a reaction to this? Just steadily climbing here.
I know. It's like,
ES is flattening out though.
yeah, ES looks a little toppy.
A little toppy, yeah.
Oh gosh, do I try it?
The shorts. Do it.
Do it now.
Oh wait, no, don't do it. Romina's just in the chat just saying market goes up, just saying.
We're screwed.
I mean, she did that on Friday and she was right. So longs? Should I do a S&G long? Is that what we're gonna do? Ozempic says Romina confirms buy mode. Bullish trend confirmed. All right, buy now. No financial advice.
Will we hit the 900? Is the question.
Well, 10 a.m. Nobody's in a trade. What else could we do?
Yeah, the 10 a.m. has done nothing so far.
Matt, do you have an idea what we could do instead?
I do. As soon as Drew lets me know we're good to go, we can make it Monday story time.
Damn.
I like Monday story time.
Monday story time.
A little bit of a preemptive jump in.
All right, Drew. If we could just maybe just put charts and my co-hosts, we just got to move them off screen for a minute here, so we can just focus on story time here. A very important story to tell all of our viewers today. Okay, boys and girls, I have a very important story for you today. This is about our friend Nicholas Wickolas. And our story is called Nicholas Wickolas Traded the NQ. Nicholas Wickolas traded NQ on a chart colored red and sometimes bright blue. He clicked and he clacked with a wiggle and grin. Today is the day that I absolutely win. He bought on a breakout. He sold on a dip. He chased every candle that started to rip. Just one more contract, said Wickolas loud, as the NQ went zooming, then slapped him unbowed. The candles went wicky. The wicks were insane. Up 40, down 60, up 30 again. His stop got all slippery. Slip, slide, kerthwack. Oh no, cried Wickolas. The NQ came back. He sized way too big, and he sized way too fast. He traded the future while haunted by his past. He moved his stop just a teeny bit high, then watched price go where stops go to die. At last, Wickolas sighed, and he leaned in his chair, removed all the drawings he'd drawn everywhere. No chasing, he muttered, no fighting the flow. Just wait for my setup, then trade it real slow. The next day he waited, he breathed, he behaved. He traded one contract, his sanity saved. The NQ still wiggled and screamed and went wee. But Wickolas smiled. It's not personal, see? So if you trade NQ with a twitch and a tick, remember the tale of Nicholas Wick. Have a plan, have a stop, Don't YOLO the zoo, or the NQ will bitch slap the wickless out of you. The end.
Oh man, I could tell the parts that weren't AI generated.
Yeah, there were a few in there.
Oh,
There were a
boy.
few. That was about 80% ChatGPT. My only regret is I couldn't see Nick's face while I was reading that.
Dude, I was dying. I love Monday story time. Can we make this a thing, please?
Nicholas. I love it.
And a special credit to Pero and Romina and whoever else in the chat was who inspired that particular.
Well,
That
Albo,
should
that-
All right, we need to see a break up. Let's go. Break upwards.
Copy of the Nicholas.
We're hoping.
That should be your wedding favor. I agree.
Well, can we hire you to read it?
You can't afford me.
Oh.
Damn. Straight to my face.
Actually, you probably can, but I don't. I'm not going over there.
Depends how much you charge.
Yeah. Just a couple milli.
All right, I'll ask Joey then.
Ask Joey if you can hold a couple milli.
No, if he can dress as you.
I mean, from far enough away, you probably wouldn't tell the difference.
With my eyes, I can't tell the difference, so it's great.
You got shitty eyesight. I have shitty
Oh,
eyesight.
very shitty eyesight.
Really?
I see well, like computer distance perfect, screen distance perfect, but everything further than that, it's like, who's that?
So do you wear contacts?
No, I probably should.
Wait, so you just are living your life through a blurry lens?
Kinda.
And you drive, right? I mean,
I mean, yeah.
okay.
Wait, we should add that to the storyline. Blind Nicholas Wickless.
No, I kind of feel like for legal purposes, we need to curtail this conversation. Just so this can't be used in any sort of vehicular manslaughter case against Nick, in the next year or so.
Whenever I'm looking for a road sign, I'm doing this like.
Oh
That was
no.
All right, it's breaking up. Let's go.
Oh no.
Is it going to happen?
Well,
We need it to follow through. Upwards. Come on. Follow through. Follow through.
That's what they all say.
Follow through.
Oh, without
To
contacts or glasses, I'm legally blind. I'm serious. I can't.
Z.
I can see. It's just
Upside.
like, especially faces.
We're looking for 900,
So
guys.
hard for me to
900.
anything further than, I don't know, 2 screen distances away. Hard.
Crazy.
That kind of sounds like something you should need to get checked out.
I'm telling you, LASIK
I'm
changed my life.
just scared of anything coming close to my eyes. I don't know.
Well, just get a pair of glasses then. That's not.
I know. What the heck?
Yeah.
the hell?
I don't know. What the hell you want to say?
Yeah, fast forward to 20 years and Nick can't tell his kids apart, and then it's
Well, which one are you again? Nicholas or Wickless?
yeah.
Or George.
Or George.
I don't think
Wow,
George
we are
is
doing
a
a
Swiss
whole lot
name.
of nothing.
All right, so LASIK. You did that, Miriam?
Best thing I've ever done.
How many days did it hurt for after?
It didn't hurt at all.
What?
I didn't even feel it. Yeah, well, like, so basically, it's like a 5-minute procedure on each eye. It's very quick.
5 minutes.
It's very quick. Yeah,
Yeah,
And this
that's
was
very
like-
short.
yeah, it's very short. And this was like back in 2018. I mean, not that it was like that long ago, but I'm sure they've advanced some things since then. But they basically just like give you a Xanax and they're like, all right, we're gonna take you back now. And then they just put you in this machine. They give you some eye drops, and like there's a screen outside of the procedure room that literally just shows your eyeball, so like people
Whoa.
can see you getting your procedure done.
Ew. No, I start tearing up because of that. Just because you tell me.
It was like,
Oh.
I mean, I didn't care. I wasn't like, I was on Xanax. I didn't care.
No, I wouldn't care about that. But just like.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Like,
Come on.
It's so funny because
Let's go up.
It's so quick though. I mean, you do kind of like smell it, which is kind of gross, but yeah, they're literally like peeling your eyeball, and then they laser your cornea, and then they shape it up, and then they're like, and they flip it back up, and then you're good. And then next eye, boom, boom, bam, and then you're done. And then
I'm not a
you're
fan.
you have to wear
Not a
those
fan of the way
sunglasses,
this is looking now.
weird glasses that look like sunglasses. But then you're good for that night. Like, you go to bed, obviously you have a driver, you go to bed, next morning you wake up with like 20/20 vision. It's crazy.
Interesting. Chat, share your experience with me. Who else did it? Real Chris B says, I was miserable for 3 to 4 days, super sensitive to light. Then I was completely fine one morning, like a switch flipped. Okay.
Not looking like the way that was looking like it's rolling over.
I was literally fine in like 8 hours. I could smell my eye burning. Yeah, it was actually kind of gross. It was actually.
Wait, Miriam, we need you to comment on this. Abigail is saying, hi, Miriam, met you at a Vegas powerlifting meet, and you and my homegirl, Chavain, took home gold medals. Great to see you killing it in training. What? What?
That is so cool. Oh my gosh, that must have been a while ago. That is so cool. That is awesome. Yeah, powerlifting days. Man, can't forget those. Those are good times. That is really, really cool. I remember Juvain. Juvain is awesome. So tell her I say hi. That's great.
Hey, we're getting that rejection of the previous week high level now, Miriam.
I am in that short 839.
Oh, you're in?
Without telling me, come on. I was in it when Matt was telling a story. I'm gonna move my stop to break even now because I don't want.
Problem is, if I do an eye procedure, I can't stream for a couple days. Oh, it's going.
No, you
going. I want to see 5-minute charts close below 807, then get a retracement, and then I'll join you on the short. You're up nicely now. All right, so most people in the chat are saying they were miserable for a couple of days, and then it was fine after.
I don't want this coming back up here, so I'm gonna just move my stop to 35.
Can we go to Miriam's screen, Drew? Got the trade on. By the way, chat, the next like goal is 555, so if you haven't done it already, make sure you smack the like button.
I want to see 800 clear. Yeah, see, this is literally what I did.
Are you break even with your stop? Are you break even with your stop?
Yeah, I'm break even. A little below break even, so like 4 points. But I want to see this 800, this 803 level here.
By the way, Miriam, you said about the LASIK, because that's something I thought about. You have glasses sometimes though too. Are those just like for reading, or are those for some other things, or what? How do those play in with the LASIK stuff?
Yeah, I wear them for mainly like the computer, but I have noticed, like, because my eyesight was really, really bad, and I do have like a little bit of dry eye. Sorry, real quick, I'm gonna just take one off here. Nice. I don't want to risk holding this if it's gonna hold. But yeah, I wear them mainly for the computer. And then I will just like, it's nice too, because like the ones that I have, the glasses that I have are like, I think they're like 2015 vision. So I like to wear them when I'm like around the house, or like if I'm just like watching a show. So
I eventually have to make the switch to just streaming in my glasses, because wearing the contacts all day is just with bright lights. I gotta set them up so they're not glaring and reflecting off my glasses. I've never quite figured that out, but I'll have to do that in the next week or two.
Yeah, I don't like that we're holding here, guys. So I might actually exit. I took one.
That's an ugly rejection there.
Yeah, this level right here, that's why I took one off here. I was trying to take another as we dipped down, but this 800 level needs to clear to the downside. So we could still get the rejection. I just didn't want to hold on to it, honestly. I was up like almost 3 bands on this and didn't take it. But
Schrodinger's got a good idea there, Nick. You and I should go do an IRL stream of us getting LASIK.
And then
oh
go
my gosh,
Panda
And then
Express.
Panda Express, yeah. When we can't see the fucking menu.
I don't care. Orange chicken all day.
That would be funny. That would be funny. Miriam, watch it drop now? Probably. Maybe. But I'd rather not risk it.
Risk it for the biscuit. I mean, Romina said it's gonna go up, so.
Yeah, that was my original idea behind this trade. If we kept rejecting this 845, 850 area, I was gonna try a short with a really, really tight stop, like 15-point stop. And the plan was just for it to continue past this 800 level. The reason 800 is because we've we bounced at that level several times. That's where the break of the trend line was. So I wanted to see that level break, and I wanted to see it break with conviction. And because we weren't getting that, that's why I took a little piece off at that area, just in case we did get a really strong bounce, which we are getting here. So we still have a supply zone. So I'm not necessarily invalidating this short. I just don't like that we're not getting the flush out of this area, because when I look at supply and demand zones, I like to see, a strong reaction out of them. So that was kind of like, all right, maybe it's not ready yet. So for me, what I'll be looking for
So the
is
strong
first
reaction.
level of
I got you.
all
I
right,
got
we're
you.
still rejecting this area, which currently we are. But the next level that I'll be looking for is, okay, can we find acceptance above this 800? And then ideally, really like 780, 775 would be that level. If we do continue to flush, that'd be great. And then I'll probably look for a short to VWAP around 700. But ES right now is still holding. ES is
Yeah,
really
I did just enter ES longs actually. That's a nice bull flag break there on the 5-minute.
Yeah, ES definitely looks like the stronger of the two. So it's just, yeah, really slow right now.
We'll find out shortly if this works or not.
It's so hard for me to initiate a long here. It's so hard for me to do that. Like ES, I could see for sure, but Nasdaq's just like no like decent
Order
pullback that I've
submitted.
seen on the Nasdaq for me to go
That's why
long.
I entered it on ES too.
Yeah, I would have rather done on ES too.
Drew, if you want, you can go to my screen. I have to trade on. I would, if it pushes, I would scale out on the way to 7,000 with the last target actually at 7,000. I mean 3. First TP is 990, then 995, and then 7,000. Let's find out. Basically risking my profits from the London session today.
Say that again.
I'm basically just risking my profits from the London session today.
Nice.
We got some nice shorts there.
Order canceled.
Oh, that's nice. My bookmap started working. I can't go any higher, or else I do like the Mickey Mouse voice. Huh? Oh God. Okay. Oh, man. Yeah, Naz is holding. Let's see. I want to see if like 860 to 880 will clear here on the Nasdaq. ES has room to like 690, 7,000.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna, like, I have set 3 TPs. One is gonna be 990, then 995, and then 7,000.
Nice.
If we get up there. We'll find out.
How was your weekend? What did you do?
Whoa, that caught me off guard. What did I do? I actually played tennis. I played paddle tennis, and I worked a lot. Did a lot of content over the weekend.
You worked a lot?
Mm-hmm. Besides that,
Like on what?
the content, just content.
Oh, content. Okay, got
Yes.
it.
Lots of content. What did you do?
That's exciting. I didn't do much. I got my first sniff of fresh air. That's being sick. So that was nice. But yeah, I was just mainly recovering. My voice 2 days ago was just creaking. That's all it was. Like I couldn't even formulate an actual sentence. It was crazy. So yeah, I was
That's
just mainly recovering. Oh yes, it's pushing here.
Looking nice so far.
Damn, gotta go out of the shorts.
Currently up 5 points. Fearless asks, why long? Well, because two things. Number one, this was a nice bull flag break, which I love taking, and number two, my fiance was in the chat and said market is going to go up, so gotta go long.
Why long? Clearly, you're somewhere without heat right now, so it's okay. Clearly, we'll send a space heater and a lot of booze. Unless you're under 21, then we send nothing.
Yeah, we stay away from that.
Yeah.
Rabish is asking, why is Nick doing 15 ES contracts? This is like degen trading. No, it's 3 contracts per account. It's 5 accounts. Like, why do you call me out for 15 when Miriam trades like 30?
I was just gonna say that. Wow.
That's funny.
Yeah. All right. 69.90 sellers.
Yeah, that's where I have the first target.
900 has significant sellers on NASDAQ as well. I want to see this 880. I'm curious to see what they're going to do here.
Let's find out. We're approaching TP1. 2 points away.
Come on, give it to him.
Come on.
Palm beat.
Shimon.
Shamon.
Come on. Oh man, what'd you do this weekend, Matt? Freaking try to
Well,
stay warm.
Yeah, we were kind of snowed in, so it was just kind of managed the snow in the driveway. Which the good thing is, it was so cold. It's like just fluffy snow. It's not the heart attack snow or the wet snow. I got the first test drive of my little electric snow shovel, which basically is a really small snow blower. Worked really well on this stuff.
You're probably having a field day with that.
Oh man, yeah, no, it worked well. So I mean, you could only be out there for so long, and I mean, the way our backyard is, it's kind of a multi-level backyard, and so it's like there were some mounds and some drifts of like 2 feet, but a lot of it was about a little under a foot. But we didn't have to go out much. Had a couple fires, so it's just kind of staying in and making simple meals and praying to the Amaran gods that they keep the power on, which thankfully they did. So yeah, no, it was fine. It's fine. I'm sure we're about to get slapped with our next energy bill, which seems to go up every month, no matter how much we conserve. So we'll see how that goes. But other than that, no, it was just kind of hunkering down, getting through everything, and trying to stay warm.
Yeah. You and everyone else in that area.
Well, like I said, I really feel I've seen some pictures and stuff from like Tennessee and in like northern Georgia and Mississippi, like where it wasn't snow, it was just that sleety ice, and like so it rained rains and sleets and then the temperature drops and it all freezes. I know there's people, like there's a few 100,000 people, I think, in Tennessee without power, and they've just told them, like, we don't know when you're getting it back. That's tough. I mean, that's tough when you don't have the infrastructure to really deal with that kind of stuff. I mean, even here in St. Louis, I mean, they have plows, but we don't have the infrastructure to deal with this. And as it becomes more and more prevalent, I mean, you got to figure your shit out. You know, I mean, the last winter we had one really bad storm, and it was handled so poorly, it cost the mayor her job. She was cruising to re-election and then just got derailed in the primary specifically for that reason. It all happened like 6 weeks before the primary, and it's why she lost her job. The new one's doing okay. I mean, you can't change your you know, you can't buy an extra 100 plows in like, you know, 6 months of a fiscal year, but they got some work to do. But it feels like they're at least a little better in the communication this time around. And we're not in St. Louis City, obviously. We're across the river, but yeah, I mean, this is something that, like, lower Midwest, and especially in my particular area, whenever this polar vortex dips down, like, it's hitting us now. Like, I get it. It's fairly new, but in 2 or 3 years, if you haven't gotten this figured out, like, what the hell at that point? So I kind of feel like now's the time. Listen, I know how everybody is about taxes and all, and we don't like paying it, but I feel like now's the time, like, where municipalities and counties could, like, put something on the hey, let's add like a 1% sales tax to fund new plows and that kind of stuff. Earmark it for that. I think people would actually be slightly amenable to that. So, or they just vote it down and then
Quick punch up to 900 would be cool.
Matt, I completely forgot to message you about Mario Kart.
You did. Yeah, I was waiting. I was snuggling up to my Switch, just waiting for your call, Nick.
No.
You didn't call.
I forgot. I'm sorry, Matthew.
We'll get it done. It's not, we're not going anywhere. We'll figure it out. Are you a country boy? Yeah, I'll tell you what, Derek. Great. So yeah, I'm from down here in. No, actually, I was raised in the suburbs of Chicago, but like both places I've lived the majority of my life. So my town, the town where I lived in Indiana, like if you go east, you're in Chicago, you're in Illinois. If you go west, you're in 1860, right? Like, you know, that's kind of how it is. And it's actually very similar to where I'm at now. You go east, you're across the river, you're in St. Louis. And while St. Louis and downtown St. Louis is, you know, needs some work, like the suburbs and kind of the immediate area surrounding is just, it's gorgeous and well done and all of that. But if you go west, it's corn and corn and corn. So like I've always kind of been, I guess, I don't want to say, it sounds cliche as shit. I like kind of like one foot in both worlds. But like I could go like downtown Chicago and hang out and just have a blast. I could go to Main Street, USA, in a town of 3,000, hang out, have a blast. I guess it's kind of a blessing being raised where I was, because you see a lot of that. And, you know, you travel around and see some, I mean, you know, every place has its own vibe. You just got to kind of, you know, find a place you're comfortable and, you know, go from there.
Are you a country boy?
Yeah, hey, I'll tell you what there, boy. You lived out there in that country. Get her done. Pew, pew.
Pew, pew.
Then we go and watch some NASCAR and we turn left.
I put on ground.
Tennessee's, so certain southern states, they don't have the infrastructure. They don't have plows. They don't spend a lot of money on salt because traditionally they haven't needed it. And as you know, I mean, listen, this is the world. Weather patterns change, things change. You know, it's, you know, we've had a lot of that in the past 10 to 20 years, and now you've got to be ready for it. I think the Northeast is getting hit pretty hard yesterday and today. I know they're used to it. So.
Oh man.
Is that where your corny jokes come from? Oh, fuck you, Sam. Yes,
Dude,
actually.
Sam, did I see you right that you had an $800 electricity bill? I think I just saw that not too long ago. That's, oh my god, yeah. My last electricity bill was $808. That's crazy.
Ours are just south of that, and I bet ours will be that in the next couple of months with all we have to. Back where I'm from, there's one. It's a notoriously shitty power company, and there are like single-family homes. You know, we're talking 3, 4, 5 bedrooms where to the heating bills are like $1,300 to $1,500 a month now.
That should be illegal.
Well, they're starting to picket them, so it could be really interesting. That's, you know, when you get Midwesterners actually fired up about something, yeah, it should be. But I mean, technically every place, every power company has a monopoly. So Trey knows, and Trey Smith knows. Yep, NIPSCO.
NIPSCO.
Northern Indiana Public Service Company.
Oh gosh, what a mouthful.
And their customer support makes Comcast look like Costco.
Dang. Well, we're getting this 880 level was the level I was looking for on the NASDAQ. We are getting a rejection of that level. I wish this was actually the level that I shorted instead, but we still have to clear. This could just be a retest. So we still have to clear like 825.
Oh, that was. Damn it.
So
I'm looking at 900.
on this, until we get
Shoot,
down there.
we're about to
We
get
are
smoked
feeling
again.
A little bit bouncy here, so we could get a nice pullback to go long. In this area.
I was just like, oh yeah, the markets are open.
Yeah.
The Dr. Seuss story threw me off completely.
Oh, that was good. That was good. Nick is still in this long, I believe. This would be the bounce level that I'd be looking for. We do get it. Otherwise,
Well, you're coming in right about at 826 to 827 is the +1 standard deviation off of VWAP.
okay. Yeah. That's pretty much, that's where orb is. Or opening range high. So we do get a retrace to that level. I do expect a bounce, or a hold at least in this area.
Yeah, it's going to do it. This is the area. If it breaks down from here, it's got some room back down to 800.
That's crazy. How's the chat feeling? Anyone in a trade right now or took a trade earlier? Got that long in the open, which I was very hesitant to take.
Ellen says, I love Costco. Who doesn't love Costco, man? Costco is on the 8th day. God
I
created.
love Costco. I just don't like going to Costco because it feels
Well,
so
there is that.
overwhelming.
There is that. Yeah.
Like I've been ordering deliveries from Costco. That's been great.
We're a little far for that, I think. We're about 30 minutes away from like 6 different Costcos. They won't put one on this side of the river for some reason. But yeah,
Weird.
but you know what? You just go, and like I think we go about every 6 to 8 weeks, just drop a few $100 and then be done with it.
Yeah. It is nice for stocking up for sure. And their return rate is just like you can return anything at Costco.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Jesse scalped a long. Was in a long, says Arn. Waiting for a long. Lots of longs. Option SX put. Wow. I want to know where you entered corporate unmuted. I know you caught a really nice short not too long ago.
Wait, I leave the
long
desk for like 3 minutes, come back, and then my trade is back at break even? What the hell? What's going on?
that rejection. But I think it holds here. It's looking like it's trying to hold.
Yeah.
So.
You got a little bit of a wick list there, Nicholas.
Ridiculous wickless.
Yusuf, I haven't been on a gold shorting idea for about 6 weeks. I mean, right now.
All right, after this trade.
I mean, do I want?
Oh, you guys can't see it.
Yes, so I can buy it. No, there's no macro gold short on any time frame right now. If you got one, feel free to share because I think it would be insanity to do anything other than a scalp on the short side right now.
Matt, by the way, did you ever load up on gold when it was at 3,000?
I got a little. It didn't pull back enough for me to load up. I grabbed a few of the miners and a couple things in a longer term I didn't get. I probably got about 30% of what I wanted to in terms of size, but
Still nice.
no. I mean, I'm happy. It's nice, few nice green positions in the long-term portfolio, but
Aggressive typing.
that's per my last email typing right there.
That's me typing to Drew.
As stated above. Come on, ES. Push it up. Squeeze.
No, come on.
Schrödinger said several people are typing.
Come on, let's go. Up, up, up.
Okay, it's the boys now, Matt.
Hell yes.
We did retest previous week high here on NQ and hold. Still in this ES log.
You know, I'm all for just some one-on-one Mario Kart, Nick, but I feel like we really need to put some pressure on Drew and the gang to do one of those for game nights.
I mean, hey, I'm down. I'm down. I'm always down for Mario Kart. You know,
I gotta practice. I haven't played in a couple of months.
you don't need to practice. You need to feel it.
Okay. I was doing good getting through the new tracks and all that, and then they released Madden for the Switch, and that was it for me.
So, Drew, when are we gonna do Mario Kart game night? I need to know when I need to stay up.
Oh yeah, you'll be up late for that night.
I don't care if it's Mario Kart. I'm there.
Maybe we can see if they'll do an hour one, like an early stream right after the markets close.
That would be sick.
Or hell, maybe we'll just take over game night and make it early.
Wait, Drew says we can just do it not on a Wednesday. I didn't ask when we can.
You
not,
serious?
I asked when we can do it.
Are you serious?
When is the next game night? Tomorrow? Tuesday?
They do them every Wednesday.
Says like do it when you're awake. Actually, I wanted to play FIFA against Celine in the London stream, but we didn't know how to set it up so they could see our screens. Maybe we'll figure that one out.
I've never streamed any games, so I'd have to be I'd have to figure that out.
No, I have no idea either. Come on, ES. Can you push it up? ES was 2 points away from my TP, I just realized. But so far it just looks like a nice pullback. Drew, this one, like FIFA, I would have played her on Switch, which sucks. Usually I play it on PS5 and on computer.
I think you have to get a capture card and run it through your computer, don't you?
I mean, I tried to plug it in through the cam link, but maybe I need something else. Oh, wait, Drew just sent me what I need. Nice. Thanks, Drew. Save that one. Nevs, I'm not that good at FIFA. So probably better in Mario Kart. So is ES gonna go up further? That's what I'm wondering. Nevs, no, I don't play Ultimate Team. Like FIFA, I literally just play it with friends. But not online, all local. More fun.
Yeah, I think whoever came up with microtransactions in video games needs to be drawn and quartered.
And whoever came up with let's get rid of split screen needs to be put in jail too. Like PS2, PS3, everything was split screen. Every game, it was so fun. And now it's like everything you gotta play online. Boo. Boo. Leanne is asking, what would I need to join a Mario Kart game? My Switch? Yes, your Switch.
All right, guys. All the loves. I do have to go. Peace. Looks like we will be negative 290. Going to be a negative day for our funded accounts, unfortunately.
Real Lucas says, split screen doesn't earn Sony money. Online does. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Oh, now, yes. Give me that final push. Matt, are you eyeing anything? Any scalps?
Not really, based on where we are now. Right now, I'm actually just trying to put the Nicholas Wickless poem up on X.
Love it.
Hold in. How would I held in?
Come on, ES.
All right, guys. So my Twitter handle's in the chat now. It's the same as in here. I now have the Nicholas Wickless up on Twitter for those that want to memorialize.
I gotta go check